Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the break of structure BoS SMC EA, and according to the MQL5 Marketplace information, this is an MT5 Expert Advisor developed by Alan Mwenene Mutiria. In this video, I'm just going to walk through the marketplace page, break down the key information provided, and then look at how the concept of the EA is described before moving into historical testing analysis. Starting here on the marketplace page, we can see that this EA is listed as version 10 and it is available as a free download. The developer describes it as a break of structure system based on smart money concepts, focusing on how price breaks through previous swing highs or swing lows to indicate a potential shift in market direction. Now, as I scroll through the description, the main idea being presented is fairly straightforward. The EA is built around identifying these structural breaks in price movement, where a breakout above a swing high or below a swing low is treated as a signal that market sentiment may be changing. The developer emphasizes that this concept can be used to help guide trading decisions based on observed price structure. One important note mentioned on the page is that users are strongly advised to optimize the EA for their own trading environment. That suggests that performance and behavior may depend heavily on how it is configured, although no specific settings or recommended pairs are provided in the information here. Now, since this is a free EA, the focus seems to be on accessibility and concept-driven trading logic rather than complex configuration requirements. There are no detailed platform differences highlighted beyond it being an MT5 Expert Advisor, so I'll be reviewing it based on that MT5 environment. Now, moving into the features and concept explanation, the core idea behind this EA is break of structure detection using smart money concepts. In simple terms, it watches how price interacts with previous swing levels and uses those structural breaks as a reference point for market direction changes. This is meant to help identify when momentum is shifting from one direction to another. There are no additional feature breakdowns, risk parameters, or complex settings described in the marketplace information provided, so the emphasis here remains on the structural logic rather than customizable trading components. Now, let's just quickly transition into the backtesting section. Since no specific recommended currency pairs or time frames are provided, I'll be focusing on the general historical behavior and how this type of structure-based logic reflects on the chart during testing. Now, from the information provided here, we can see that initial deposit is $10,000. Total net profit was just $44.7. And we can see that total trades were 28, short trades were 12, all profitable, long trades were 16 with 87.5% win rate. Largest profit was 2.88, largest loss 22.2, average profit 2.77, average loss 13.68. This tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. All right, and then you can also see that the win rate is quite high. So the bad risk to reward ratio would have impacted this total net profit that we are seeing here, because the net profit is very little compared to the initial balance. But let's head over to our strategy tester so that we can also see how the EA performed over the past 5 months. So we're testing the break of structure BoS SMC EA on GBP USD on the H1 time frame, and the duration for the testing is about 5 months and a week. And we are using the last ping to the server for the delays and every tick modeling. All right, so looking at the results here, we can see that initial deposit was $100,000, total net profit was negative 61.81, and the total trades taken were 30, short trades were 18, 83.33% win rate, long trades were 12, 66.67% win rate. The largest profit was 2.92, largest loss was 21.52, average profit 2.9, average loss 18.36. So the the data that I'm seeing here is sort of similar to what we saw on the marketplace page, right? The risk to reward ratio is bad and the win rate is quite high, although that of the long trades is just okay, right? So in this case now, the win rate was not as high as that of the back testing information displayed here. Okay, though the short trades were 100% and long trades were 87.5, and in this case we have our short trades at 83.33% and long trades 66.67%. And the difference between the average profit and average loss is also wide, so it's not really surprising to see that the total net profit is negative. Okay, but looking at the historical chart activity, the key thing that I'm paying attention to is how price reacts around swing highs and swing lows, and how breakouts are interpreted during different market conditions. Okay, in periods of strong directional movement, break of structure signals tend to align more clearly with trend continuation. During more sideways or choppy conditions, those same structural breaks can appear more frequently, which can affect overall consistency depending on market behavior. So when reviewing the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that results like these are strictly based on past data. Longer testing periods generally provide a more reliable view of how the system behaves across different phases of the market, including trending and ranging environments. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. And as always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis, not a prediction of future performance. Outcomes can vary depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, and how the EA is optimized by the user. So overall, the break of structure BoS SMC EA presents a simple concept-driven approach based on smart money concepts and structural price breaks. Now, before considering any live use, it's important to test and optimize it in your own environment to understand how it performs under different market conditions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. All right, so in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.